Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the Mfloor function in Salesforce, and we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic interface in Salesforce. But before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all of you that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for beginner as well as an advanced level expert in Salesforce, and even you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce, this course is already for you. In this course we have 9+1 module with 21 plus or HD videos, and we are covering each and everything in both Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic interface. We are letting you know from the introduction to Salesforce how you create an account in Salesforce and how you can navigate your Salesforce account from the Lightning to the classic interface. We are also let you know how you can create a user, change its password, how you freeze a user or deactivate, and each and every step how you can cover up with the help of a users in Salesforce. Moreover, to make the security feature alive in your Salesforce org, we are letting you know how you can secure your records, fields, object and application in Salesforce, and also let you know about the profile and permission set. Even we are letting you know how you can share the records with the user with the security. Moving ahead, we also cover up the scenario based cases where you can create a apps, objects and tab, and let you know about the all the fields that are available in Salesforce with the formulas and function existence. Moreover, if we talk about the advanced topic, we are letting you know about how you can create a custom button, link, section pages and the list views and layout. We are letting you know how you can use it for the advanced searching feature, and also we have covered up the features of a schema builder to process builder, and let you know about creation of the validation rules also, so you can validate your data in Salesforce. If you want to visualize your data that you have entered in the Salesforce to get easily insight about that things, we are covering a reports and dashboard feature. And if we are dealing with lots of data in case of a millions or a thousand, we have a feature of the data management where we will let you know about how you can import, export the data with the help of a third party tool, that is a data loader, and the inbuilt feature also data import or wizard tools that let you know to deal up with the bulk data in Salesforce. So without wasting of your time, just go to the link in the description box, purchase this Salesforce admin course, because we are giving you a 50% discount on this course right now. And the one of the biggest thing about this course is we are also let you prepare for the interviews and the internship opportunities we are also giving you, and you will also get the certification on the completion of the course. We are giving you the course material in the PDF forms, and also this course has a lifetime access after the payment of a one time thing. So just go and purchase it, because nowhere you will get this such content in a 50% of discount in such a low price. So this course offer is available only for limited period of a time, so just go and purchase it. So now let's move to our topic back, that is Mfloor function in Salesforce. So let's firstly understand about this function. What does we mean by the Mfloor function? So first of all, the thing is that it is a one of the mathematical function in Salesforce, and this function is used to calculate the numerical value if in the digits, or you can say in a closest round of value. It's basically let you know about the closest round of integer value that you will get using this function, and if the numerical value is negative in nature, it rounds off to the away from a zero. And we have also discussed one of the function that is already in Salesforce. This is known as a floor function. So there is a slight difference between floor and Mfloor function, that using the floor function you can round down the number to the nearest integer value, and if the number is a negative, it round towards the zero. But if we are dealing up with the Mfloor function, it also do that, but it will round away from the zero if we are dealing up with the negative things. So this is the difference between Mfloor and the floor function. And if we talk about its syntax, the syntax is given on your screen, where we have to pass the number or a field or a formula or any parameter that you want to give to the Mfloor function. So now let's proceed and learn how we can use this Mfloor function to calculate the rounded value in Salesforce Lightning first. So here I open my Salesforce account, and by default I am in my Lightning interface. If you are not, just log in yourself to the Lightning one, and we are by default landing to the home page that is set. If you are not on the main home setup page of the Lightning interface, just click on the gear icon given on the right and click on the setup option. When you click on that, it will redirect to the page of the main home Lightning interface, and from here you will get a tab on the top of the navigation bar that names is Object Manager. You need to click on that because this will show you all the objects that are present in Salesforce, either it is a custom or the standard one. Now it's time to choose up the object on which you want to use the function, the Mfloor function. So for example, I am going to show you the example for the product, as I want to get the rounded value of the product price. So here on the quick find box I am searching for the products. So once I entered here, I will get it. I click on that, and now it's take me to the Object Manager page. Now on this Object Manager page, on the left side we have a fields and relationship option. Once I click on that, it will show me all the fields that are in this particular object name as a product, either it is a custom one or the standard one. Now our main agenda is to use this function. For this you need to create up the new field, and for this you need to click on the new button that is given on the top. Now it's give you the different data types from which you create up the field. So as I am going to use the function, we need a formula 1. So I click on the formula as a field type and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Now in the next step you have to enter the field label which shows to the user, so they know about the things that you are calculating or getting. So here I am giving it as a name of the round of product price. Okay, and the field name get automatically populated when you click anywhere on the screen. The next thing, you have to choose the formula return type. As we are discussing these things on a basis of the prices, either you can choose up the number one or you can go up with the currency. It's depend upon you, but as per the price, the currency one is suitable. The next thing, by default the decimal place is set to 2. If you want to change, you can also do that, and then you need to click on the next button. On the next button, you need to create up the formula for which you want to calculate the something. As I want to calculate the price of the product using this Mfloor function. So firstly I require the function. On the right side we have a function categories. Here I click. From here I choose a math, because as I told you, it is a part of the math function. Once you scroll down, you will get the list of all the maths function. Now from here you need to choose up the Mfloor. Once you select it, it will shows you a button of insert selected function. You need to click and the function get automatically inserted to the formula editor table. Now you need to replace the parameter. I erase my parameter. I need to insert a field that name as a product price. So for inserting a field, here we have one button of insert field. I click on that. Now once I scroll down, here I get a option of a multiple fields. From here I choose up the product price. I select that and click on insert. It selects a field. If you want to insert any operator, you can do that. I recommend you to don't manually type the field name, because of some spelling mistake you will get an error. You can check the errors with the help of clicking of this check syntax button. If there is no error, it will show the message to you there is no syntax error. Now I click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Now in this next step, you need to set up the profile to which you want to give the field level security access. You need to choose up the profile to whom you want to give the edit access of the particular fields. So particular this field, if you don't want to give edit access, if the field is already, the profile is already checked, you can uncheck it. Otherwise you can check it and give the access. Then you need to click on the next button, and the last you need to choose up the page layout on which this field will be appear. If you don't select the page layout, it will be not appear. Now you need to click on the save button. Once you click on a save button, it successfully created up the formula field that show you how this Mfloor function works. To letting you know how it's work, you need to open one more setup. I click on the gear icon and open one new setup. Now in this new setup, I go to my app manager, that is these 9 dots located on the left side. Here I search for my product as a object, and once I type it here, it will show me the result regarding that. And here I select it down. Now you can edit any already existing one to let you know, and you can create a new also. It's all so depend upon you. So for example, if I am going to edit this one, I open one product. It's take me to the detail section. So I enter the product price. Okay, here I'm not able to edit it. Here is the edit option. I click on edit. Now here I enter the product price as $503.9, and when I click on save, it's give me a rounded price as a 503.00. So it's rounded the value to 90 to the 00. So as per the rounding rules, if we have a 9, we need to round it up to the one extra digit, like the result will be 504, but it gives us a result of the 503 because it's doing the one less number for the rounding. It's moving towards the one less digit. So here is the function of a Mfloor function. Now we will see how we can do in a classic interface. So firstly, redirect yourself to the classic. I click on a profile, and here we have option of a switch to a Salesforce classic. Once I click on that, it will take me to the page of the classic interface, and now we have to move to the setup. I click on the setup option. Once I click on the setup option, it will take me to the classic setup page. Now you need to scroll down, and here you will get the administrator section on the left side. You need to scroll, and under this you will get a build section. You need to expand the customize drop down. Here you will get a lead as object, as I want to use this function on the lead because I want to keep track of the lead conversion to the opportunity rate. I click on the fields as an option, as I am going to create up the new field. For this, I scroll down, and here we have a section of a custom fields and relationship. I click a new button. Then you need to choose up the formula as a data type. I click on that. Then I click on the next button. Now here you need to enter the field label. I enter the field label as a here conversion rate, lead conversion rate, and the field name get automatically populated. I select the formula return type as a number. Here we set the decimal place to the by default 2. I change it to the 0 and click on the next button. Once I click on the next, here we need to enter the formula. For entering the function, you need to click on the all function categories, choose the maths from here, and from here you need to click on the Mfloor as a function. You need to search for the Mfloor, then you need to click on that, and next you need to click on the insert selected function. After that, you need to replace the parameter with its field that you want to enter. Here we have option of insert field. Here you need to add. So first I add the conversion. I click on insert. Now I want to divide it. So it's operator. I click on insert operator. Here I enter the division. Now the next thing I want to add is a total lead. So I scroll down to the total leads and enter it, selected by click on the insert button. To check it whether it is correct or not, I click on the check syntax. So here there is a no syntax error. Here basically I am dividing the conversion rate by the total lead, and after that I am also going to multiply this total leads with the 100. So for this I click on the insert operator again and enter the value as 100. Okay, so here I am passing these things to the Mfloor function, as I want to get the round down to the nearest integer value. So if you want to add any description or help text, you can do that. Even you can handle the blank fields. Now I click on the next button. Now here you have to set up the field level security. You need to choose up the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this particular field. You can do that by checking and unchecking the checkboxes given in the visible column. Next I click on the next button, and here last we have to choose out the page layout on which this field will be appear. Here we have a multiple page layout that by default already selected. If you don't want to include this field to any particular page layout, you can unselect it. After that you need to click on the save button, and once you click on that, the field formula is created successfully with the Mfloor function. Now to check how it's working, I open the leads as object from the top navigation bar, and from here I am selecting one lead. So once I click on that, it will take me to the particular detail page of this particular lead. Now I am going to entering the values in the fields that are going to give me the result of this Mfloor function. I enter the conversion as a 5.6, total lead as a 100.3, and I click on a save button. Once I click on a save, it calculated the lead conversion rate. So you can see that it gives the result as a 25 without any decimal points, because we have set the decimal point to 0. So with this we have successfully learned how to use the Mfloor function in Salesforce. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.